Hi! In front of me is ULEFONE Armor 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation on this device. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by choosing the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into settings, tap on display and scroll down to access the switcher next to auto rotate screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!